Good evening, fellow traders. Welcome back to another episode of the channel. I've got popular requests to do a video about brokers, so today I'm going to talk to you about factors that I consider when choosing a broker, something that you can also do. Brokers are like banks. They are investment centers where you keep you fund your account and you are able to execute trade in assets, whether you buying an asset or selling an asset. So execution center. The first thing for me that I consider is certain brokers don't allow people to open account from certain countries. So if you're choosing a broker, you have to check to see where you are living, if the broker allow you to open a trade open account with them from your country. Apart from that, the rest are pretty much simple. What do I mean by the rest are pretty much simple? Well, I want a broker that when I fund my account, it's instant. For instance, if I go to the back office of this broker, ETS Capital, I've been using them since 2006, and I fund the account, I deposit, let's say, £500 now. The money reflects instantly, so I can be able to trade instantly. This is the most important thing. The second thing is, when I want to withdraw my money, I want to be able to take the money out not less than 5 days. The money should be back in my account. So all the brokers that I use, some of them are, for instance, ETS. If I should make a withdrawal in the morning around 8 a.m., before end of the day, the money is back into my account. This is how good this broker is. IC Market the same, CMC the same. So this is two important things that you have to pay attention to. The next important thing is when you place a trade, okay? When you place a trade, I mean when you place an order, it should be instant. What do I mean by so? If I place a sell trade or buy trade, the execution should be very instantly reflected. Yes, I should see my trade executed instantly without any delay. This is another important factor to consider when you are opening a broker. You don't want to place a trade whereby the trade will take 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds before you see your trade taken. Other than that, you are not going to be especially if you are trading by market, you are not going to see. If you are trading by market execution, it means you want to buy at this price, and if it's delaying before your trade is placed, it means that by the time your order is fulfilled, this price will not be valid. You'll be filled in at a lower price or at a higher price. This is one of the important things that you have to pay attention to as well. There are certain brokers that when you fund your account, dodgy brokers, you can't take your money out. Example was John Anthony, FX, and other brokers. When you make profit, they don't want you to be taking your money out. So if you ask me, what I would say is, when you don't know a broker and you want to try them out, okay, don't deposit big money. Look at the minimum amount that they want you to fund. If it is $100, if it is $50, put it in, trade for 1 week, withdraw all your money and see how long it takes. It shouldn't take more than 3 to 5 business days to get account. My brokers are instantly. If you withdraw your money and it's taking more than 5 days for you to get your account, that is a sign that this is not a good broker. and also when you execute. So that's why you don't have to go and place, for instance, if you are well off, you don't want to place £1,000 in a broker's account to test this broker, or 5,000 or 10,000 or whatever. No, you want to go in small. If the minimum is $100, put in the $100, see whether it was instant, then trade for 1 week to test things, to see if, and withdraw all your money and see how long it takes you to get your money. If it doesn't take you more than that, you know that okay, I can get my money instantly, everything, because this money belongs to you. And at any time that you want to withdraw your money, your broker has no right to ask you, why do you have to withdraw your money? Why do you have to withdraw this much or this? You have to be able to withdraw all your money. If it is even 20 million, if you need it, all you need to do or need done is placing in the order withdrawal request, and you should get an email confirmation to tell you with order number that your order is being processed. And normally my brokers, it will come, you receive your money within 2 to 3 business days. But then depending on the time of the day, like I said, if I place my order before if I place my withdrawal request before 9 a.m., I should get it end of the day or the following day, okay, which is swift. So I'm very confident with my broker or my brokers, and I don't mind putting in money, okay, whether it's big money or small money. This is how things are. This is how comfortable I am with my broker. So I hope that this has helped you. And someone was also asking me about psychology. Psychology is part of trading. Trading, I've always said, is a business. So when you are trading, be serious, treat it as a business, and then everything is going to be okay for you. So what do I mean by that? Trading is an emotional game because you are managing money, and when you come into the market, just like the retailers or any other business, entertainment center, the food, hospitality and other, they get up in the morning, they open up their account, and what's on their mind? They want to make money. Yes, they want to make money. There's no different from traders, whether you are a retail trader or you are whatever we are. Our primary aim in the market is we want to make money, okay? And if we want to make money, that is the sole business. And the reality is, just like any other business make losses, sometimes you are going to make losses. So in order to keep your side every day, make sure you do your ritual, something to cycle. If you are arguing with your girlfriend, if you are angry and stuff like that, I advise you not to trade. And depending on if you are a day trader, you should have this rule that, I've placed 2 trades, and the minimum trade, depending on my account size, I wanted to risk is 1%. And if I lose this 1%, I'm not trading again, I come back. There's nothing like revenge trading. Okay, if I've lost £500 today, I want to recover that. If you don't have that right mindset, you can lose more money trying to chase recovery profit for day trading. So this is how you have to accept your losses, check what the market, and see how or why did you make that loss. Don't put pressure on yourself like, I want to make money to pay my bills, I want to make money to buy food, things like that. If you do this, sometimes you place unnecessary pressure on yourself, and you are bound to make silly mistakes that can blow your account. And or if you are a funded trader, you can violate your account. Okay, so you take it, if you lose some money, you take it bit by bit and build it up, and you can come back and you stay within your risk and your strategy and your trading plan. Okay, That what you don't want to do is trying to trade when you're not supposed to trade, trying to trade when you have argument, trying to trade when you are angry with your kid, or having an argument with your parent, or things like that. This is not a good way to be a fund manager, because in the market, remember, the market moves very, very quickly. So every trade you are placing, you are buying, somebody is selling. We are not the only people in the market. If we are only people in the market, it will be very, very easy, because you wake up and you place a buy or you place a sell, and boom, you are in big profit, and you get out of the market. So stop over trading, because the market is always there. The market was there before we were born. The market will be there after we are dead and gone. You can't make all the money in a day. Even if you make 500 million, if you make 100 million, if you make 10 million, if you make 500,000, if you make 100,000, whatever you can make in the day, that's not all the money. So accept your losses, analyze your trade. If your psychology is not good, stop over trading. Take a couple of days off, go out or do something that you love. I love watching cartoons, so I do watch a lot of cartoons. I love Tom and Jerry, I love Donald Duck, I love Disney World channels, a lot of good cartoons there. So I like to, when I'm not trading, that's my way of relaxing. And sometimes I get a good movie on Netflix. Yours might be different, so try to do what you love, and then limit trading, because you can do one trade a day and that's going to pay you. Okay, so I believe that this will be very, very useful to you guys, and hopefully I will speak to you guys again. Thank you and have a good weekend.